Thank you for coming. So, first of all, I'm so proud of myself. I actually was so tired today, and I'm feeling a little bit sick. And I was so short before canceling this trading session, but I was like, no, Tima, you gotta be consistent. And now I'm sitting here. And okay, guys. Um, I hope you don't mind. I have some ice cream for myself to treat myself. Um, Before we start, I just want to let you know I'm not trading with my own money. I'm borrowing money from a company that lets me trade with their money, and you can do the same. So for $100, it's a small fee. You can actually get $50,000 of that company's money, and you can trade with it. So you can't withdraw it, of course, but you can withdraw the profits that you make. And those accounts have a challenge, right? You have to make a specific amount of profit in order to withdraw first, but I think that's totally fair. So if you want such account, go to that QR code. And okay, I wanted to show you something. Okay, there is a trade that I want to analyze with you. Since today, I'm going to show you now how to set a take profit, how to set stop loss, how to identify a trend, anything. I think that's very important because people keep on asking me how I set a take profit and stop loss. So there are a few ways to do it, and I'm going to show it to you now. And yeah, the trade went pretty successful. uh, I made with one of my students right now in a one-on-one session a monthly salary just on this candle. So he was very happy, and I'm happy too. If you guys are winning, I'm winning. Just a second. Okay. Um, Now to the trade. So I can't really eat my ice cream when I'm talking that much. I didn't think about that, but okay. So since around 6 hours, I'm saying go short. Why? Because I have draw this trend line a few days before, I think yesterday, before yesterday, and then we crossed this trend line to an uptrend, and then I did draw this trend line. Okay, and the reason why I went short is I saw on the 5 minutes, no, on a 50 minutes, I think, on a different time frame, I saw a cup and handle. Cup and handle means this, right? A big curve and then a smaller curve, and right there I think this was it. I was zoomed out a little. Yeah, this is the cup and this was the handle. So, and then I saw that we are breaking through this trend line, and this was a sign for me to just go short. And we took the short, but as I always tell you, trade the stop loss. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. So, um, the stop loss was here, and then we just went down, and I moved the stop loss with the trade together into profit, right? And the more we went down, the more I moved the stop loss, and around in this area we got stopped, and then we continued down, and I looked for a new entry. That's when I then did draw this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you always draw it from the highest point to the lowest point of the trend that you want to analyze. So, and then I usually step back into the trade during in the golden pocket or in the 50% of the Fibonacci, right? This is either this golden zone or this green zone here. So I placed my order in the take profit, and again we were in sorry. I placed my order in the golden pocket. We went down. I traded, and I got stopped out in this area somewhere, and then it was right before the news. We had EZ ECB news today, and yeah. So usually, guys, you don't really trade during news, okay? Because this can get pretty messy. But I just had the feeling because I really wanted to touch this take profit the whole day, or this take profit point the whole day, because this was my TP. So I waited until the chart goes up again, right? Because we have I went against my trade with this one because I did saw that the trade tries to go up. For example, you see it because here you we failed to make a lower low, right? So that showed me that that the price wants to go up a little, and I entered in this area, right? Not directly, but a little bit here below in this area. So let me show you why I did enter here. You gotta zoom out to the 1 hour chart. So when you zoom out, you just see, let me mark that area for you. I don't know if you can see that well, but we have a very strong key level here. Okay, this area is a support zone for those candles, but for those candle, it turns into a resistance zone. So this is a very strong key level because it was held during a very long amount of time, right? So that's why I placed my trade in this. That's why I placed my entry in this area. And then the news, and I was eyeing this trend line. Sorry, this horizontal line the whole time. I just saw a take profit in there. Why? Because the exact same principle that I told you before. My ice is melting. Wait, sorry guys. Okay, because of this reason, um, we had a very strong resistance zone here in this area. Can you see it? And resistance zone and support zone, they always change. So any resistance zone can turn into a support zone, and any support zone can turn into a resistance zone. And since we had here our resistance, I just expected that this is going to be our support for this movement, right? And as I said, exactly that happened. And this is how I pick my entries and my take profits and my stop losses. I pick them based on key levels. That's the easiest, and it's valid almost all the time. And what else did I want to tell you? Okay, guys. Another thing, my rule is I only trade maximum 3 trades per day. When I have a really, really good day, maybe a fourth one, but usually, guys, if you have luck, don't try to think that the luck is going to last for all day, okay? This is when people get greedy. Stop at 3 trades, because if you get greedy, you will lose your profits again, and that's why I'm very careful with it. I have placed already 3 trades today. I've been trading all day with my students, and I'm not placing another trade as well. I'm not making a new analysis with you guys. Maybe you can check a little bit, but we just had news, and I like to not trade actually right before news or right after news, because um, I like to give the market some time to for a new pattern for me. So, um, what else? I read it. I did write it down so I don't forget. Master advice. Okay, guys. Now let's get to the master advice. But first, I gotta check the chat. Hey, what are you guys saying? Okay, Beauty Sika is saying hi, Tima. Hi, Kairos Tima. Let's go. Let's go, Kairos. Yeah. shorting right now. Yeah, as you can see, we are in a short move. Also, I just did draw the trend line from here to here. Here or here could possibly be a new entry, guys. So at the 50% or at the golden pocket. If you're trading futures, you can copy exactly this numbers 114,455 or around 114,295. But if you're trading future perpetuals or anything, then your numbers might be a little bit different. Just but you can use the exact same drawings in your chart. What's good, Tima? Your what's good? Morning, little foot. Oh my god, guys! Yesterday, Maxi sent me a little foot. It's so sweet. I made it dance with Grok. In Grok, when you upload pictures, you can let Grok make a video out of it. And I had a little foot, that NFT on Abstract, the new one that everybody was minting. I missed it mint, and I was talking to Maxi yesterday, and I was like, Maxi, I missed the mint, and she was like, oh, I have so many. Let me shoot you one over. And then she gave me one. And then after this, I think his name is Mills. He also sent me one. It's super cute. I'm going to post it later. Maybe later after the stream or tomorrow morning. I don't know. And yeah, anyways, it was super cute and I'm super grateful. My little foots that I got from Mexi, I don't know if she did it on purpose, but it's like dark green and it has a pink bow. And it looks kind of like a wheat bud with eyes. And it's super cute. And it has a pink bow on it. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm still feeling a little bit tired and weak, so I'm ending the stream very soon, just 50 minutes. But thank you for watching. I think you still. Oh no, the master advice. Oh, wait, my ice cream is melting. Wait first. Oh my god, it was a bad idea to eat it. I really thought I can finish it. I had 3 minutes until stream. And I thought I can finish it, but I was eating so slow. It's still there. Like 1 second. Wow, it's melting in my hand. Oh my god. It looks kind of weird eating that ice cream in front of the camera. That's why I'm going out. Just a second. I'm back in a second. Okay. I just had to eat my ice cream real quick. It's not finished yet, but it's melting, so I have to hurry up. Okay. Master advice. Okay, guys. How many of you know that problem that when you enter a trade, that you set your stop loss and the trade goes into your direction, you in profit, and then you have a quick pullback, you get stopped out, and then the trade continues to go into your direction? So many. Do you know why that happens? Because there are market makers. Okay? Market makers are trying, they can see where the most stop losses are. They can see where most of the people trade their orders, place their orders this way. And they manipulate the price to liquidate people or to stop them out real quick, and then they continue into the right direction. So the thing is, you would set your stop loss in that area where most of the people set their stop loss. Why? Because we all learn trading and we all get the same principle, right? If you want to avoid that, the next time you set your entry where you put your stop loss usually, at the stop loss more far away. Okay? So your entry goes where your stop loss usually is. And then where everybody gets stopped out, you get a nice entry, like a really great one, and then you continue with maximum profit. That's the advice that changed everything for me. And you're going to try it too. So again, place your entry where you would usually place your stop loss, and thank me later. So this way you don't get stopped out and then trade goes into your direction. And if you're wrong, right, then you lose even less because your entry is where your stop loss would be, right? So does it make sense for you? I hope it does. Okay, guys, let me see if there's any new message in the chat. Nothing important. Somebody was laughing at my ice cream, I think. Okay, guys. We just arrived in the golden pocket. I think we could place a trade here, but we could also. Okay, should I? I'm staying a little bit longer. 15 minutes. I've been here for 15 minutes. That's a little bit rude. Okay. Hey guys, by the way, if you want trading signals, I'm sending almost every day trading signals into this Telegram group here, Tima Trades. And if you want those trading signals, let me know. You can take more of the. So I'm posting future trading signals and for perpetual futures. If you want to take all signals, you can create yourself a funded account with this QR code. And if you just want to take trade perpetuals, then you still go into the group, and then you can take the signals that I'm sending in there. Okay. This entry has been not this area has not been strong enough. So I would say I tend more to the entry in the 50% area. Should we place one? Okay, just a little bit. And just one. I think I'm losing this trade now because I already said I'm not placing more than 3 trades per day. I think life is going to punish me. But let's see. Oh my god. Why is it 6? I wanted to have one contract only. Okay, let's say 2. And now let's wait. Do we touch it? Yes or no? Okay, now let me finish my ice cream. I was trying to hurry up. It's so good though. Okay, finish. But I still dripped on my leg. Oh my god. So much chaos just because of one ice cream. Okay. Um let's see if we touch it. Oh my, everything is red. Just ignore this. Wait, I can remove it. Let me remove. I was zooming out before, that's why it looks so big. Okay, let's see if we touch it. Or if we just go through. Maybe we touch and just go through. I hope we bounce. And right after we enter, maybe in 10 minutes, I'm leaving the stream and I'm going to sleep. Or no, I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to answer to a few more of you guys. I'm going to play Reply Guy, and then I'm going to sleep. We gotta support the supporters, you know. Hey Flukes, how are you? It's your day, Tima. I hope it is. Let's go. I hope it is my day. Yeah. Um, my day. I was a little bit mad today, but the trading session before that really hyped me up. So now my day is going so good, and I'm grateful. And when you don't have days that make you a little bit mad, you can't enjoy the days that make you happy. Okay. Do we touch it? Yes or no? Maybe it just went through and we go lower from here. I don't know. Oh, I see my battery is low. Okay, guys. I'm going to end the stream now, and I'm sending screenshots of this trade. I'm going to keep you updated in the Telegram group. Just go to Tima Trades on Telegram, and if you have any questions on how to get yourself a funded account, how to trade with that company's money, how to set up your account, if you want to know how the trade went, because I'm sending updates into the group anyways, but if you want to know how to set a stop loss, take profit anyways, just let me know. I'll be there for all the questions. And I'm ending the stream now. Love you. Bye bye. Thank you for coming.